these tools here are generated in ProNovos, which is really great of them to help me out generating it as they're putting this project into ProNovos. And what's fantastic about this, right? So many of us are using Excel, to chart things, and what that does is it creates this, it creates this sort of manual process of reporting. When you're using a tool like ProNovos, there's some automation that you can set up, and it allows you to actually view the data live and not wait end of month and then create your you got to do all of your invoicing and so forth, and now I want the report, and so the report is delayed by 10 maybe 15 days. Whereas if it's automated and you're using a tool like this, you're actually seeing it live. You're seeing it as those costs are allocated, and it accelerates that ability to have that critical conversation with your project team. And so that's the idea here behind using a tool like ProNovos.